No
uh,
problem.
just I'm recording the chapter, sir. Actually, I'm just keeping that recording the conversation of today's, so it will be very good, sir. Yes, sir. Shiva, sir, can you introduce yourself, sir, please?
Yes, sir. This is Sivasankar Devasarma, and right now I'm teaching in a leading school, Bhubaneswar Guidance English Medium School, and I'm not quite happy, not quite sad, because the situation you can better understand the pandemic situation going on,
Yes.
and everywhere schools are uh, the number means they are reducing the teacher number. Okay, that's why.
Yes, sir.
And 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 right now I'm
Eh,
running tutorial also, because the amount I am getting, means the salary I'm getting, that is not enough. Because of that, obviously with the teachers we have to tuition is there. Okay. And then every day I'm trying my best to find some time to read. Yes, I'm passionate about it, but really, I'm telling you the truth, I'm not able to find at least 15 minutes. It's means even
Definitely,
if
sir.
sometimes, yeah, and sometimes I'm thinking that no, no, I need some relax, need to relax my mind, and you can't believe how easily Facebook and they are dragging my time. Means after 1 hour, then I'm getting aware. Oh my God, I'm not getting
One.
time to learn my lessons, but it's already one or more than 1 hour.
Of course, sir.
Uh,
This generally happens, sir.
In
yeah.
Right. So whatever
this
it
is
will be, I have also, sir, a tight schedule. More than 15 hours I have to work. Right, sir. Along with my professional job that I have been also teaching
I
to
know
the
about
student.
Vikram sir actually. I know about Vikram sir because we
Yes,
have
sir.
already
Yeah. Yeah.
interacted so
yes.
many times.
Eh, Sir, in group
Because
each
that's
member know, sir, in group each member knows me.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Because
Because you are the creator of this group, so that
obviously,
everybody knows.
obviously,
sir,
I
because of that day you may have remembered that day how I ran behind the people asking number to
Yes,
make
sir.
this group.
yes,
Right.
yes, that's what I was just saying just right now. I was just going to say that you just said my word. Means
Yes,
I
sir.
got that. I saw that the person is so much excited,
Uh,
and he's trying his best to make a group. That's a
yes.
good idea. Means
Mm.
I means before 10 minutes,
Yes.
I have already made. Means when he asked other, he was
Mm.
asking. Means Vikram sir was asking
Mm.
others about that. I have already made, because I was searching for that, and I'm, oh, thank God somebody is there who
Yeah.
is because I don't have that kind of a quality to ask others
No.
and make a group. Okay, very much thankful. I'm very much thankful, but I got that. Yes, the person is so much excited, and not only he is sometimes I think what I think that 3 4 members it's enough, but I
It's
saw
enough.
that he is asking again and again.
Again,
Now
again.
I saw that I saw that already 10 people, already 10 students he has asked, and they have given their number. Still he is asking. Means that made me very much, means he is very excitable, and because of his sir, this is a group, means big group is there. If group is there, obviously one day that will
Of
if
course,
group
sir.
is
Mm.
there, obviously, and that you made, Sunil sir, that I'm very much thankful to you.
And sir, and one more thing, sir. I will add something to your words, sir. Here in this group, two such persons we have that they are JRF qualified. JRF
But
qualified.
where are they? Where are they?
Hidden treasure.
He didn't say that. Okay, obviously
So
they will.
I requested them to guide to come to join and to guide us in paper one and
Yes.
make any sir good and exquisite strategy so that it will be easy for us to at least get pass. Not a matter to us to qualify JRF because our age has been.
Obviously,
So
yeah.
We
I
will
Obviously.
also
requested.
definitely, sir. We will also get the what JRF. We can qualify the JRF. No problem. It is not a
No, no, no,
rocket
sir.
science,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Why not?
Okay.
Why not? Yeah.
Definitely, we
Our
will what we will
our
systematize this group and definitely we'll discuss. No problem. Because
No,
sir,
sir. For
Because all of
qualifying
us, we,
JRF, for qualifying
because
JRF, your age should work with you. As we have already spent our the time, and our age has been to
it's
35,
over. Yes.
36.
Oh, no
Yes.
problem. That this time we will qualify
yes, yes,
only
you are
simply net
absolutely,
examination.
sir. Yes, that is
So,
what I was just going to say, that we are such
mm,
an age that we
mm,
can't do unnecessary things. We
yes.
can't do unnecessary. We can't waste time unnecessarily. We're in such an age. Oh, obviously, we have to do something systematical way, and
Mhm.
yes, it has been started. Means obviously, we are in the right way, and
Mm.
also hopefully others they will join very, and the group will be uh,
Yes, yes.
no need to join everybody. Only
Yes,
those are
yes.
passionate they will join. I know
Yeah,
that very well.
right, sir.
Okay, and we need that. And the timing is best timing, because early morning sometimes most of the cases we all are working hard.
Yes, sir.
So most of us maybe we get tired. Okay, it's not possible for. But I was saying that if it would be possible like a 5 to 6, then actually I am not having any online classes at that time. That's why I was asking. But
And I think that this time you might not have taken any class this time too, sir. Actually, 10 to
yeah, 10 to
10
10,
to
11. I don't
yes,
know. Yeah.
right, sir. So just I was what telling about the Bikram sir that we are
Yes.
the what aspirant only child are doing some what you might have teaching to the teaching to the student of your English medium students, sir. They are also doing at up to 10 p.m. Right, those who are in class 8, 9, 10. So we are the elder, that we are the teacher, that we must not go to bed until to 1 p.m. Right, sir?
Mhm. Mhm.
So it will be very good, sir, because before and before also I have a lot of work, and I have also teaching to the student at 9 p.m. to 10 p.m., sir.
Mhm.
So that's the
My
problem.
God.
Yeah.
um,
So
okay, Bikram, so start something literature. You have a good kind of knowledge. Start something like that day.
and
Bikram sir
and
asked
and
me.
and 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 that kind of a knowledge fell into me in sorry destitution of not getting past this previous time.
so actually, sir,
That sort of sir,
actually
my yes, sir.
how to systematize this group, sir. Really, actually, how it will be very effective and fruitful, sir.
So
Because
I
every day,
think
yeah,
I think we should upload the syllabus. We should upload the syllabus, and every person, every active person who are joining in this group should choose a topic, and they will come forward to teach.
definitely.
Because if any
That
person if any person choose and prepare, because he will come to teach, means he will prepare fully, because
Of
we
course,
all
sir.
will ask. So, suppose there are 12 or 13 number of chapters in paper 1.
Yes, I
So
have.
all the students, they, all the student, all sorry, all
Yes, sir.
the that qualified,
But, yeah.
qualifiers who have shared their experience, they put so much focus on paper 1, because
Of course, yes.
paper 2 is ocean. Paper 2 is ocean.
Yeah.
So
question.
if you paper from paper 2, you get 30-40 marks, that will be highly, sir, fantastic to get 40-50 marks from paper 2. But paper 1, you can ensure your mark. That those qualifier, they said these things and said that one can ensure 45 marks or more than 40 marks from paper 1. And if you keeping the view of a cutoff of a previous years, so if any person puts that focus on paper 1, then this will be easy to just jump the track. to be selected to come under the sir cutoff. So I
Yes, sir.
think
I think you are right, and this should be a good plan. The way sir told, Vikram sir told that yes, we have to, and like any day, like a Monday, I have to plan before Saturday that yes, I have to teach some dignitaries. All of
and
us we are
every day
dignitaries. We can say
and
yes.
sir every day
Yeah, sir. Okay,
sir.
sir. Let me finish.
Yes.
Actually, sir told that the why it is it will be effective because all of us we are dignitaries. We have to think like this way. That
Right.
if I am getting ready to teach dignitaries means the way of preparation I need, I have to prepare since if my turn is on coming Monday, so I have to prepare from Saturday. Obviously,
Oh,
this
sir.
should be
Yeah.
yes. So that's why it would be
So
good because it would choose that Sunil sir will teach on Tuesday, or I will teach on Wednesday. Then I have to prepare myself from Monday onwards. I have to go
yes,
through
yes.
that chapter.
Right, sir.
I think
Sir,
that would be good.
first you will have a profit from your sir research and anything what you are doing study from your perseverance. Then we will ask questions and our profit, our benefits also will have in this from this class. And sir,
Yes.
one more request I have that this daily doing classes I think will be little faded. Will be little like faded. Sir, if we do means at least 3 days
3 days,
Of
4 days. Yes.
3 days of
less
interval.
number less more let's do less days not regularly because we all are struggling for food and shelter.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The
Because,
situation
sir,
is
it is also right,
uh,
sir. No problem. And we
sir
can
sir
also,
and sir one more thing and sir I am now newly experiencing teaching that plus 2 students. So I am working very hard for them. So if here I give my time, my food and shelter all will go.
then we will reduce,
So
We have to take care of that.
sir, we will reduce time, sir.
Yes.
No problem. We will not continue up
yes,
to 1 hour, so that we can also, what can you
And
give on 15
another
minutes, sir?
can I give one good idea
Yes,
actually?
sir.
yes, yes,
Sir
yes.
told that is right. That is right because that is the first. We have to take care of that first. Otherwise there will be. Okay, that is right, sir. Absolutely, you are 100% because your experience. Okay, so I have a great respect towards your word. But another thing that if you would like this way that yes, every day, just like Sunil sir said, that every day we will join at 10 o'clock. But teaching days are in these 3 days.
Sir?
So if I'm relaxed, if Vikram sir is quite busy, he can't join. But these are not means pressurized days. Means
Yeah.
there is no pressure. We'll discuss on anonymously means relaxedly any topic we'll discuss. But these 3 days, just like Vikram sir told, said that these 3 days will be serious days means seriously teaching the person who will be the bested this work that this work is bested upon you means this day is for you. You have to prepare yourself at that kind of a level so that you can teach the dignitaries. You have to ready to answer their questions
Sir,
and it should be yes sir.
sir, sir. Now in group we are only 3 people. Sir, we are 3 people.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So when all the group members will join, then we will extend it to 4 days or 5 days.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. I was expecting
Now,
this.
now, now let's do at least 2 days in a week to active, to awaken to arouse our group members that something is going on in our group. Group is not dead. Group is going on.
Of course, sir.
So let's do once or twice, and we'll choose our topic one by one like that. Then
And
yes,
it is
sir.
right, sir. And regular
It is
basis,
right,
any
but make
topic,
it 3 days, sir. Make it 3 days.
yes.
2 days is
Uh,
very late.
3 days is really, at least 3 days must be there, sir.
Because I am hungry, not getting in time. If a group would be there, then I will join. Obviously,
Yes.
now I was not getting any time. Now you can see I have already spent 20 minutes. This much was not possible. Can't
Yeah.
believe, sir. See, means
Uh,
I means so I can say that I would rather spend unknowingly 2 hours in FB, but I was not able to. Yes, this is the truth. 2 hours in FB. How the time would go? Then I would think, oh my God, this 2 hour, if I would have spent for my career and I would learn that books, uh, then
Definitely,
what I
sir.
did. Hmm.
We are spending a lot of time for others and other activities, but we are paying little time for our bright future, sir. This is the main
Yes,
cause, main problem, sir. Actually,
yes,
that's why our age is already past. Still, we have not able
yeah.
to qualify
Already,
that
yes, already,
examination. That is
already.
the main problem, sir. Yeah, continuously, if we want to discuss, at least 1 to 2 questions can be covered, sir. No problem. And anything you can write, sir, and post that writings also, so that whatever you have what are written or learned.
Okay, sir. Let us discuss one topic means related to our UGC net.
Yeah.
Okay, and but before that, let me ask you because I know that Bikram sir is staying here only Old Town. But sir, where are you staying at?
I am, sir. Particularly, I am staying in Khurda district, and it is what a small village, Sardhapur, 3 kilometer away from Khurda town. And
Okay, okay, yeah,
yes, sir.
got it. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Okay, sir. Let us at least this 20 minutes we'll learn something.
Of course, yes.
So that I have to answer. I have to answer my missus,
mm,
everybody that yes, we are learning.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Okay.
Because
Then
I understood deeply.
yes, yes.
okay,
Married
sir.
people they understand.
Yes, sir. Good night. Good night, sir. So
Good night. Why, sir? Now the time has been good. Sir said to discuss something. What will you discuss, sir?
Yeah,
Research
we'll discuss
aptitude.
something at least 20 minutes.
Research aptitude.
Anything. It's okay, no problem.
uh,
And research, we have to know book and nothing. First we will do study, na.
I have
Sir,
already
yes,
I have already sent in the group the soft copy, sir. No problem.
Acha,
Yes.
acha.
So actually, it will be very good, sir. We may skip it. That if we start from beginning to ending.
Mhm,
no problem.
mhm.
So actually, how much of knowledge we have acquired from teaching aptitude, so that after completion of that, we will move to research aptitude, then communication, then other topics, so that it will be also very good, sir. And if you have not prepared anything about teaching aptitude and you have learned research aptitude, then it will be better that you can also teach us research aptitude. And if I have what I learned about teaching aptitude, then I will also convey you about the teaching aptitude. Another person who has what I studied about the communication, he will teach about communication. No problem, sir. It will be very good,
Okay.
Yes.
because we
So let
have
us
to
learn
complete it
something.
all the 10 chapter as soon as possible before
And
examination date will be out.
can we
Okay.
just shift this platform to Google Meet?
In the
No
Google
problem.
Meet, actually, sir, Google Meet problem,
Small pictures are coming.
yeah, but
Yeah, picture is
picture is be
Zoom is
connect,
more effective.
yes, and there is also what there is no recording version, sir. Actually, we should keep the video, so that what is being discussion in this platform, that this platform is very good. I'm not able to record in Google Meet. That's the problem.
It's okay, no problem. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Zoom
Is
is good.
recording. Okay.
No problem. Actually, sir, we must not what discuss other related. There must be some fun, no problem. But we have to focus because there is no time at all, sir.
Yes.
Right? So
Yes.
Yeah,
we
there is
should be
no
the
other way.
productive. We should be the creative.
Yes, sir. Obviously.
And whatever we have discussed, the valuable topic, and if we do not store it and if we do not revise it, then it will also be problematic, sir. Yes.
Okay, let's start, sir.
Today, sir, is your turn.
My turn.
Yes.
My name is Sunil sir turn.
No, no.
Sunil sir is leading. Sunil
So,
sir is leading.
I have also just little prepared, sir. Actually, I have two books. Okay, sir. Actually, I have no authorized book. One book from Harpreet Kaur. This is book. You
Mhm.
can see it, sir.
Mhm. This is a
Okay.
good book.
Yeah. Another is NDNet. It is what Arihan publication. This book, and I have sent you that send you the PDF from the another author, KBS author, sir. Right.
Mhm.
So actually, I was also reading up that PDF whenever I'm not able to stay at home. That I overlook that PDF. It is also very good
Mhm.
PDF, sir. Very good book. Okay. So any topic can be discussed because it is also latest book and written by KBS Madan. I think how is it is, and those who have qualified that GRF, then I will also request them that which book they followed, right, sir? And what were the technique, then which book is very correct. Actually, I have also no knowledge that I am compiling the books, so many books, and I purchase from that market and read it, sir. Right. Actually, one of my friends told me this Harpreet Kaur's book is very good, very good. Okay, let's
Okay,
purchase
let's
this
start.
book.
But let's
Okay,
start.
From paper one.
It's
so
okay, no problem. Whatever that
uh,
will come in exam, it's okay, no problem. I'm very much hungry, excited. That's
okay,
why I'm
sir.
ready.
Okay, sir. So that means generally in research aptitude research aptitude discuss करबा ना ଆଉ ଆମେ एटा सर research aptitude भी टिके भी आरंभ कर दबा जस्ट फाउंडेशन स्टोन टा ले आउट हेबो आज नडिया चुपा हेबो
Yes.
आउ राइट
Yes,
सर
yes.
Okay.
ओके सर आपनकर टीचिंग aptitude रे राइट सर
Yes.
ଆମର ତ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ମିନିଂ ନା टीचिंग କୁଆଡେ ଗଲା यस सर टीचिंग ऑप्टिचर जे कौन से टीचिंग ऑप्टिचर ता डेफिनेशन तो कोठी आसुने बोली माने समस्त भी यूट्यूबर माने भी समस्त भी कहउछन्ते जे माने एते प्रायोरिटी ने जस्ट जानबा को पड़ता है माने टीचिंग ऑप्टिट्यूड कौन एटा गोटे जस्ट जानबा दरकार राइट नै सर
Mm.
सो टीचिंग ऑप्टिट्यूड माने यू नो दैट व्हाट इज दैट इट इज द एबिलिटी टू व्हाट a teacher ability to do something I think ऑप्टिट्यूड राइट सर
Mm.
Yes,
तो
sir.
आमर कांसेप्ट ऑफ डेफिनेशन को किछि जानिबार आवश्यकता किछि नै एजेंट सर हमको नेचर ऑफ
Mm.
टीचिंग रू क्वेश्चन आसुचे एजेंट सर नेचर
Mm.
ऑफ टीचिंग then your objective of teaching and Bloom taxonomy level of teaching it too I think that most of the question is coming out of this area sir. So what is that nature of teaching sir nature yes so actually you suddenly you what are told to start right sir so it is also
Mm.
difficult task to start any topic but anyhow
Mm.
that we shall discuss cooperatively so it will be very good sir
Mm.
Yes, sir.
so let me read out it and then after what I discuss about that topic sir nature of teaching
Mm.
refers to choose the element of teaching and which are inherent with that concept of teaching it means
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
yes
Sunil,
sir
sir,
yes
is,
sir
is that in your PDF?
yes there is
Is
also
this
PDF
is this same topic is in PDF?
I have what I KBS Madhan's PDF I have sent, but it is what Arihan publication. And which book do you have, sir?
No, no, no. Actually, if you have a PDF, you can better present it so that we
Yeah,
can get whatever you are reading. Yeah,
yeah.
whatever you are reading, we can get clearly. We can get the picture. Then the discussion will
So
be healthy.
shall I share the screen? Okay,
Yes.
Yes,
I'm
yes,
sharing.
no problem.
Okay, sir, I'm sharing.
You are leading. You can share everything. You are
Yeah.
leading means you are share everything.
Okay, sir. It is already our honorable sir. It is our beloved group
Bikram
is
sir.
already open, sir.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it will be better to discuss the only syllabus today, sir. isn't it, sir?
Hmm.
So memorize the what activate our mind, no problem. Yeah, just wait, sir. I'm sharing.
Sir, I'm hungry.
But you have to spend, sir. It is your group.
It is you
At
are the
least you have to
you,
take this responsibility.
Give me food. Give me food.
okay, sir. Oh, you can also take a biscuit and cup of tea, no problem, sir. Just have a patient.
Now you got that good kind of suggestion.
Okay. Bring a glass of water. Bring. Pujna. 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 A glass of water. Bring.
Yes, sir. Can you see the screen, sir?
Yes, 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 sir. We're getting.
Yeah. So it is already what written that NTA, UGC, NET, SET, JRF, paper one, what teaching and research aptitude. Okay, it is third edition. It is a nice book, sir. Actually, the first. mm, just, yes, sir. Our
Uh, will I teach a poem to you?
yes, sir.
Will you
Yes,
learn a
yes,
poem today? Huh?
yes, sir.
Truly.
Uh,
Sir, what is that poem you are asking me about? That something very famous poem about what is that? John Keats, something. Uh, a thing of joy, a thing of a beauty, joy forever.
Hmm.
Yeah,
I
last time
think who was discussing? Was I?
I think yeah, you were asking me about
you,
that.
sir. You are the famous poet reciter, sir.
No, though.
Ah,
Eh? I think of beauty is joy forever. Its
yeah.
loveliness increases and it will never pass into
Ah,
nothingness but will give a Baba quiet and a sleep. And a sleep full of sweet dreams and health. And a health ଆଉ ଭୁଲିଗଲି ରେ ପିଲେ मैं ଭୁଲିଗଲି John Keats poem मैं ଭୁଲିଗଲି and health I forgot.
Moro.
sir, first of all, tell me who is your favorite writer and who is your favorite poet? Tell me.
So,
My favorite is Don.
Don, John
Uh,
Don.
yes.
Okay. Tell me something about because I have not learned about John Donne. Really?
John Donne is a metaphysical poet. He is very much famous for his using conceit, and I fell in love with his writing because of his using of conceit. In his poem, The Flea, the canonization, and some religious poem like oh 3% God and
Three, sir, sir, three
oh,
person
God 3% or like that. Its name is not so much coming to my
clearly.
mind. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Oh God. Uh, oh 3%
Means
God
what
or
is
what
his
like that.
famous book? What is his famous book? Or writing
Famous
or book?
book.
Hmm.
John Doe is famous for this writing poems and only the poems.
Only for
Only
poem. What is his famous poem? I just
Uh,
wish to remember this one.
Canonization, can,
Canonization.
and the flea, and the flea,
Sound Mama?
and will I go to my book? I am going to my book.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Bring
you
it,
can take.
please.
Yeah, no problem, sir. Actually, right. Then I'm stopping the what is sharing the screen, sir. It will be good.
Mm.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, sir. You have already stopped.
Already stop. It is already shared, sir.
the
Yes.
flea, the flea, then Twickenham Garden, and the good morrow, the ecstasy, then the canonization.
This one. This one
Uh,
is famous.
a benediction. This one famous is this one. A benediction forbidding mourning. A question falls from this poem.
Ah, what is that?
Ah, a benediction forbidding mourning.
Forbidding
Forbidding
morning.
mourning. MOURN, mourning.
Forbidding morning. Okay. Okay, sir. Please
And
tell me
a
something about the canonization. The canonization.
canonization.
Okay, it's okay.
Canonization.
No problem.
Anything
Sir,
you can say that. Sir, actually,
Yes, sir.
we are all what
Cano,
English background na, sir.
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Wow, very nice, sir. No problem.
The
So, yes,
the
sir.
canonization,
Yes,
the
sir.
composition of a Don's poem, the canonization, is after his marriage with Anna More, his wife.
Yes,
It
sir.
is because he, in this poem, at the very outset, speaks of his ruined fortune, and he ascribes the blight upon his fortune to his marriage. Though he feels quite undone, he does not know any abatement in the intensity of his love for Anne, his wife. So I am reading his poem
Yes, sir.
to give you more effect. Canonization. First reading poem, then critically interpretation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, bandhu,
Yes, sir.
okay, bandhus.
Yes, sir.
So आज virtuous man, valediction forbidding morning. Sir,
Yes, sir.
as virtuous men pass mildly away and whisper to their souls to go, while some of their sad friends do say, the breath goes now, and some say no. So let us melt and make no noise, no tear floods, no sigh tempest move. Where profanation of our joys to tell the ladies of our love. So, sir, is it important to interpret?
Yes, of course, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Indeed.
You can.
Interpretation is important.
Of course, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Otherwise, how
okay,
would we understand?
okay, sir. As virtuous men pass mildly away, those people who are virtuous, those who are not implicated in vile works, in evil works, they pass gently. They do not announce their death. They do not announce their old deeds or anything, and they do not make any horse. They just pass gently. So the first line, as virtuous men pass mildly away, and whisper to their souls to go, and only silently say their soul to go. Don't make any horse. While some of their sad friends do say, those who are sad friends of the virtuous man, they say, the breath goes now, and some say no. So this one, here, as I was saying before and emphasizing of using conceit of John Donne, here John Donne used the conceit and compared his love for Anna More, his love for Anna More, his wife, to virtuous man. First, he compared using conceit his love and his wife to virtuous man. As a virtuous man passes mildly, so here valediction very forbidding morning. It is sir, poet is going somewhere. Poet is planning to go somewhere. Sir, my battery is now 15%.
Yes, sir. Only 1 minute is left to, sir. After 1 minute, our class will be ended, sir. Okay, time is running out, sir. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Bikram sir. It was a good kind of a discussion. I am very much thankful to you. You have a good kind of knowledge and is just
No,
share
sir.
with us. Okay, and
Sir,
yeah, I got to know that
I,
sir. One sir,
hmm.
I got to know. Is he something like that? Most of his poem not could not
Sir,
publish because
today, sir, one thing I have to say, sir, and I think you feel good after listening what I say. Sir, I love literature, so but I am very much, sir, down in paper one. So, sir, I expect from this group that my
Sunil sir is
strength,
there.
sir,
Sunil
my
sir is
strength,
there.
sir, 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 my words are left, sir. I want this group. I want from this group to learn, sir, paper one. And when my turn comes, I will teach, or I will means place one poem. Not teaching the word using teach means make me so like shameful. So I cannot use that term, sir. But when my turn comes, I will present one poem, such poem, which is very much popular in view of that NET exam. So I have a
Yeah.
10 years of a question paper, and from that question paper, which poem means may have has means had fallen before. That poem will be chosen by me, and I will be interpreting that poem critically in my turn.
Definitely, sir, and it will be
Yeah,
very good, sir.
that's
Please,
good.
if you write down something and make it as a what PDF and share that PDF and teach, that will be very effective, really, sir. And actually, when we will also discuss, definitely.